Hello everyone, it's Nini again and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I showed you how I make my beaded phone charms. And for today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my beaded keychains. As you can see, I'm gathering all the beads that I will be needing for this design. I already know which beads to use because this is actually one of my older designs, so I'm just making some to restock my inventory. For this design, I'm going to make one pink and one blue. Once I gather all the materials that I will be needing, I'm going to lay out the design first so I can easily thread all the beads in the right order. The thread I'm using is the same one I use for my phone charms, which is this jade thread that is 0.8 millimeter. So I will just attach the thread to my swivel clasp and then I will carefully melt the end with the lighter. So this makes it easier to insert into the holes of the beads, especially the ones with smaller holes. And that's pretty much it. So I'll just add all the beads one by one, following the order of the design. Once all the beads are threaded in place, I will just simply tie a knot at the end, cut off the excess thread, and then carefully melt the end with a lighter. So this helps secure the end against the knot and makes the keychain more durable. And that's how easy it is. So now let's make the blue one. It's basically the same process as the pink one, and I'm using the exact same design for both. And there we go, both of them are done. So I still have a few more keychain designs that need to be restocked. Just like with the phone charms, my plan is to make each design in all the colors that I have available, with 5 pieces per color. So this is the next design we're going to work on. I'm going to gather all the beads I need for this one. This time, I'll sort them by color first so it's easier to keep track of everything. While I was preparing beads, I noticed that I've actually run out of some of the colors of my swivel clasp and I'm completely out of purple ones. So for now, I'll just work with the colors that I still have available and I'll order more swivel clasp And once they arrive, I'll continue making the designs in the colors that I'm missing. For now, we'll just make whatever colors I have on hand. So watch me as I make these cute and super easy beaded keychains. So all the keychains are done now. So this is everything I was able to make for now. And as you can see, there aren't that many yet and I wasn't able to make 5 pieces per color. So I'll have to wait for my order to arrive before I can complete all the colors and all of the designs. And as you can see, I only managed to make 2 designs for now, but once I have all the materials I need, I'll be able to continue making the rest. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and maybe you even work on your own bead projects or other crafts while watching along with me. So let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. I hope you guys are all doing well and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, beaders, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!